Okay, what we have on the bench here is a Volvo HU series stereo here that requires a 4-digit code to operate, and the code is unknown because we have no VIN number of the vehicle and no way to contact through the dealer without a VIN number or vehicle for the radio, and it's 2001, quite old. Or older series of radios. Not sure if any of the other series will operate this way or actually function this way. So this might help someone needing to retrieve a code for a Volvo HU series or the HU-615 specifically. Some of the other HU series might behave in a very similar manner. And done a lot of research to figure this out, and seems to be fine and working on, for the most part, on all of the HUs. So what we need to do is we need to get into the electronic erasable EEPROM, and we need to retrieve the code. So one way to do that is to temporarily put the radio in test mode so we can bypass the code, and that will give us a 5-minute operation, which will be long enough to go in and retrieve our code, our 4-digit security code. So to get into the radio temporarily unlocked, we will press and hold scan and power up the radio, and notice that it is immediately unlocked. For 5 minutes, this is just put it in test. So we'll power down, hold down on the arrow here, and power up, and we'll wait on a menu to pop up. Once our menu pops up, we will scroll through, and we want to go into EEPROM. Press and hold our selection button here, and we will get into our EEPROM dump. Once we get into our EEPROM dump, we're looking for the address of 61. So we're looking at 61 position, and 2154 is stored at the 61 position in memory. And that is our code that we're looking to unlock our radio. So once we have that, then we should be able to operate the radio as normal. Also in memory, had discovered that in the 00 position through 19 is where your FM presets 1 through 20 are stored. So anybody that's interested in knowing where those are stored, you can find them under there. This is the whole entire, if you scroll through it, this is the whole entire dump of the memory, or the electronic erasable EEPROM. This is position 00, and this is where preset 1 is stored, and 01 is where preset 2 is stored. So all we have to do here now is power off to exit out of this, and we will cycle power on the radio to get back to code input mode, and we will power up the radio, and input is asking for our code input. So our code that we retrieved out of that position was 2, 1, and 5, 4, and we are unlocked. So we can go through all the different modes, AM, FM, whatever you have there. So that will allow us now to unlock without the trouble of calling the dealer and all the expense of that. And plus we don't have a VIN number because this is a junkyard radio. And like I say, we have no idea any other way to easily obtain the code other than go in the EEPROM itself and sift through the data and find it out there. But since we've retrieved it, hope that helps someone that's looking to retrieve the HU-615 and get that code, so that that tends to work for all of the HU-615 models. Not sure if any of the other HU series will work on, but at least the HU-615, we do know that that code retrieval method of going through the diagnostics and going into the EEPROM and retrieving the position of 61 will get you there. And hope that helps someone.